In the last episode, we left Caravan Castle and drove to the Bryn Arms in Snowdonia for a pub stopover. Saturday morning, we drove down through Snowdonia to enjoy another pub stop near Aberaeron. And Sunday, we finally arrived at Bargoed Caravan Park. Well, hello everyone. And today, it's the last day of our little tour round. It's day 9, and tomorrow we go home. But before we go home, we've called in at this lovely site called Bargoed Farm Caravan Park, which is just outside Aberaeron and Newquay. And we've checked in for one night on what is the hottest day of the year so far. It's 29 degrees, and Derek Brockway says we're in the middle of a heat wave. So I've left it till late afternoon to have a little walk around the site, so it gets a little bit cooler, but having said that, it's still not far from that temperature. So let's have a look at Bargoed Farm Caravan Park. Come on. Well, this is our pitch. They originally gave us one which I'll show you shortly. It was pitch 17 and maybe okay for a caravan, but one of my pet hates is coming to a beautiful site, and when you drive onto your pitch, you've levelled as best as you can, and still you're like walking up a gradient from the bathroom to the living area. So I did have a word with them, and they kindly gave me a selection of other pitches to choose from, and we're on 24 now, and yeah, I'm pleased with that one. All these pitches seem to be service pitches, and that means you've got hard standing with your water and a little grey water drain. The outer pitches seem to be a couple of pounds cheaper than the inner ones. We'll have a look at those as we come round. This is known for the only site that I've heard of which you can have a jacuzzi on your pitch, your own private jacuzzi. So let's check one out. You can hear it bubbling away.
Oh, if these ladies come with a pitch, I'll be booking an upgrade later.
Okay, it's obviously covered up, but I think we get the gist. This is the inner area. I think this is something like £3 extra. We paid £19 tonight, but it is a Sunday, so it is a bit cheaper. But unfortunately, because it is a Sunday, the restaurant doesn't open in the evening. That means there's no bar in the evening. And unfortunately, if you rely on public transport like we do to get around, a Sunday here, nothing happens. So that means there is no public transport. So, just as well the weather's nice and you can sit out and mellow around, because you're going nowhere. This is the amenities block. The bulls is the men, the heifers the ladies. Well, I wouldn't like to call my wife a heifer, or I know what I'd get. Clip round here. I just thought I'd point out that there's no sign to say what is in this room. So when I was looking for the Llwyncelyn, I couldn't find it at all. Nice, tidy wash in up area. Got your 2 washing machines. Doggy wash. These are becoming very popular these days. Most sites are seeming to have these now. And then finally found it. Finally hiding at the back. Steve was relieved. Quick look at the gents' toilets. very nice these are, very nice indeed. Yes, you get Steve's mark of approval in here. However, push button. And it's a disabled part. All nice and clean and tidy and shiny, just like we like to find them. So, we've walked up one side. It's not a big site. Now we're walking down the other. If I had to give you the pros and cons of staying here, maybe I've said a couple of the cons. The pros would be, it is a lovely, well-kept site. They have a very nice bistro dining area. It's a great location between Aberaeron and Newquay, so you got a good choice of that. It is very well landscaped and it's very new, I think. All hard standings. I think there's Wi-Fi too, but from my experience, when you do pay for Wi-Fi, you're usually disappointed. But well catered for dogs. You can take your dogs into the restaurant area, no problem. There's also a farm shop too, and a butchery. And all the youngsters will enjoy the soft play in the Moody Calf playpen too. Yeah, I didn't participate in that bit, but we did go in the restaurant and had a lovely Sunday lunch. Yeah, I recently read that this site was voted the second best caravan park in Wales, and I agree, well deserved too. And for the pitch, 2 adults and the electric hookup, it ranges from £16 to £30. So the question is, would we return? And the answer, yes, definitely. Whenever we're in this area again, Bargoed Farm, here we come. To have the jacuzzi, if you like that type of thing, which I'm sure most people do, if that's your thing, then this is the place to come to, because I don't know anywhere else that has that jacuzzi on your pitch. So here we are on the hottest day of the year so far. We've had a little walk round, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. Come in with me round the park to Bargoed Farm Caravan Park. See you next time. Bye bye.